Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook honey garlic salmon. Get ready to create a truly delicious and impressive meal that's surprisingly simple to prepare. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to achieving that perfect flaky texture and irresistible sweet and savory glaze. This recipe is fantastic for a weeknight dinner or for entertaining guests, promising a flavorful experience every time. Let's dive in and make some amazing salmon together. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful dish. You'll need beautiful salmon fillets, rich honey, fragrant minced garlic, savory soy sauce, and a hint of fresh ginger. First, gently pat your salmon dry with paper towels. This helps the seasoning adhere better. Then, in a small bowl, whisk together the honey, garlic, soy sauce, and ginger to create our incredible glaze. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful meal. Now, let's get cooking. Whether you're using an oven or a pan, preheat it to the appropriate temperature for even cooking. If pan frying, start by searing the salmon skin side down for about 3 to 4 minutes to achieve a wonderfully crispy skin. Then, generously baste the salmon with our honey garlic glaze throughout the cooking process. Continue cooking until the salmon is beautifully flaky and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfection awaits. Once your honey garlic salmon is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve and enjoy. For a lovely presentation and an extra burst of flavor, consider garnishing with fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed green beans, roasted asparagus, or fluffy white rice. For the best taste and texture, we recommend enjoying your salmon immediately. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.